So guys, this is our Easter bun.
Yeah, no cherry inside.
No man chef, and you cook this. This tastes good.
Believe you say I'm cooking.
Are you cook this, chef?
Yeah.
No.
What's good, Soulfly fam? You know it's your boy Henry. You know, back with another video, as would I say, another day, another dollar out here. What they are do it like everyday people. And you see that video, you know, the video was requested by one of our subscriber people. Pick up yourself. So, person asks for Easter bun. So now we are going to show you how Jamaican Easter bun people. So just stay tuned for the video, member. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, 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 tell a friend. May go too much. Tell another friend. You know the idea. Click the subscribe button. Turn on the post notification so you can be notified. I'm going to drop a next video. Remember, I'm going to drop on a video suggestion. See them way. And we're going to do on a video too. Go in at the video, see them time.
What's good, Soulfly fam? Yeah. So we are gonna do some Easter bun. Easter to the bun.
Easter is coming, so today we're just gonna prepare Jamaican famous Easter bun. So guys, all you're gonna need right now is, right now we are double this recipe. So we need 4 cups flour, 2 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoon baking powder, 2 cup of milk. You need 4 teaspoon margarine, which margarine is not here as yet, but 4 teaspoon margarine or butter. And we're gonna need 2 teaspoon mixed spice, which we already mixed the baking powder, the flour, the mixed spice in this already. So this is the mixed fruit, which you're gonna need 3 cups of mixed fruit. This fruit is already blended. It's already blended with the prune, raisin, currant, and we add a little fruit wine to the mixture. So without further ado, people, and we're gonna need the honey and the vanilla. So without further ado, first thing we're gonna do, people, we're gonna melt the sugar and the butter. So let's get right to it. Yes, as we said, guys, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna melt the butter and the sugar. We're gonna add the milk, and we're gonna add the honey. The honey. Yep. Where's it? Milk, sugar and fat, then add milk.
Any go up in a little, and it's
2 teaspoon vanilla.
a teaspoon that do.
Now we are gonna add flour mixture and mix.
You say you're going to mix it in a pan.
Cut and fold. After we finish mix this, we are gonna add the fruit. Alright guys, so we have mixed out the wet ingredients with the dry one. Now we are gonna add our fruit and we are gonna mix to incorporate all ingredients. Then we are gonna pour into a muffin tin and bake for 45 minutes at 350 degrees Celsius or until it's brown, golden brown. Now we're gonna mix. Right on your head I saw the color, Lou.
Never forgiven anyone for a second mistake.
Drop your finger instead.
Yeah, I wrap my finger. Wrap my finger, wrap my finger, wrap my finger, wrap my finger.
Don't feel Easter.
So guys, this is our Easter bun.
Yeah, no cherry inside.
Anybody want a long distance friendship? I wanna try it.
I tell her come on, bring a